All right, so we're live this morning. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, you can hear me well. Seems like it may be a little bit more active today than yesterday, which is pretty nice, but we'll see. We will see. All right, looks like everything is working properly, and it's good to go. It's good to go. So as usual, I'm going to be focusing on myself, and for the first hour, hour and a half, and then as things slow down, I'll start to answer questions, talk to you guys, and do as much as I can. Okay, so I'm watching quite a few tickers right now. It's quite a bit active this morning. Again, guys, I will not be looking at chat for the first hour pretty much. So just let you guys know, I wish you all luck. I wish you to stay focused on yourself, focus on the process, and let everything else follow. At the end of the day, all that matters is you having confidence in yourself and you trading your style. So make sure you do that. And then if you have questions, I'll get to that later today. All right, good luck, everybody. Just covered half of my position. Basically, I was only able to get a third size. I don't like to trade big pre-market. But it'd be a nice way to start. JCS, what is that? Halting? Nope, not yet.
SOS. Last equals 8.30.
SOS, hitting the radar. Oh no, I didn't borrow shares, did I? Great. So I'm still in C or in NVC, waiting for a pop. Start shorting some more. SOS I'm watching carefully because we're in an uptrend. But I'm still watching it. Oh man. So whenever things are not like perfect for me in the morning, I need to wait and just be patient. And sometimes it's hard because, I don't want to miss a play. But I'll take yesterday's trading as a good lesson from that one trade where I got in way too soon. Is be patient. I'd rather miss the play. We hear that all the time on my show, right? When I'm interviewing traders, they're constantly saying, be patient. And they all make mistakes too, so don't get me wrong. We all start to break rules every once in a while. But it's what you do after you break the rule. Well, at least I have a piece of this, right? That's the good part, I guess. SOS just tanking down, which sucks. I was looking at XTNT, but there's no volume on that, so I'll be ignoring that. Rocket is literally rocketing off. JCS.
CHFS. Last equals 10.40.
CHFS. Damn, we're in a clear channel right now. So, just gotta be patient. I took a starter. Should have got more, but it's okay. Let's see HFS. I could easily be wrong here. I'm giving myself some room. Alright, we're gonna keep melting on NNVC then, huh? If I can cover this last piece for $2 a share, I'll take it. That'd be pretty sick. There's support right there too, so. But no rush. SOS completely missed this so far. Chiefs could be getting stopped out here pretty soon. We'll see. I'm not going to go that big on Chiefs because this thing is pretty dangerous. How quick it moves could easily stop me out right here on this pop. Yeah. Such a low float. I think it's like 2 million float. You got to be careful. But we'll see. MVC, SOS. Damn. Chiefs, the spread on it's killing me. It's gonna probably stop me out. I'm basically playing the channel. There's no guarantee at all, obviously. I'm about to get stopped out, probably. That's alright. So I'm done on Chiefs. All right, let's see if we can get this bounce. Maybe.
NNBC. Last equals game.
Okay, so right now in VC, Still risking pretty much high day. Let's see what happens. Could easily stop me out. But we will see. It's a nice little pullback. Not bad. I'm going to cover a small piece. And then I'll look to add more later. Nice. That's what I like to see. I have tight risk on CCIV right now. I'm watching it. I just wanted to take a position, but I'm still watching it. I don't have any strong conviction yet, but I'm gonna see what it does. I just covered another small piece of NVPC just because why not? I mean, we're at low a day. Right now, I believe, yeah, I don't think I would like that. Let's see. I think I'd be wrong on CCIV if we start to hold and break above this area, so could be an easy type. Like, I'm gonna know pretty quickly if I'm gonna take a loss, which is the type of trade I want to be in, so kind of sucks, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm done on NCCIV. CCIV just kept going, so I'm done with that. Was a good little long setup after all. And NVC still watching. Okay. Not really sure what I'm gonna be paying attention to yet.
XTNT. Last equals 4.
No, no volume on that, so. Chiefs. Interesting. All right, so I'll probably be getting the questions in a little bit, but just FYI, if you're new here, just know that at the beginning I like to just trade, focus on myself, and then be happy to start talking to you guys. If you can do me a favor, there's about 100 people in here. Hit that like button. I'd appreciate that very much. And then I'll be getting the questions here shortly. Excuse me. Alrighty, here we go. So right now I'm pretty much just waiting, just waiting for opportunities to add, waiting for opportunities to capitalize on NVC, watching a couple other tickers as well, and just being patient. The good news is sizing. Like whenever I sized in those first two plays, it was half size max. Whereas this one I was able to get full size, so just let it play out. All right, we got further pullback on the NVC, which is nice. I like seeing that. I like seeing that very much. Mm-hmm. Excuse me. Cover a small piece, half, or actually not even half, of my remaining position. Ideally, would still like to add, but we'll see if we get that opportunity. Again, guys, thanks for being here. I will be getting the questions after about the next 30 minutes, or maybe a little less. I'm just trying to trying to concentrate, really. Nice further pullback. All right. Let's see. Oh man, you know what? Being patient, waiting for the right setups right now is not fun. Not fun at all. Like I said, guys, just FYI, I'll be getting to questions here soon, and just be patient with me. As you guys know, trading's already not easy, so concentrating on myself is priority right now. Seems like something's moving right now, ATXI. Not interested in that. I took a starter on Chiefs. We'll see if we start to get a pullback on that. I'm also still watching CCIV like a hawk right now. Perry's interesting, but it's definitely long bias for me personally. What was that, earnings winner? Pretty much. That's an interesting one I'll be watching for a long, but may miss it. You know, NNVC is doing nicely. I'm glad I'm still holding. And let's see. All right, let me get to some questions. Roman, what platform do you use? I'm using Dash Trader as my executions, and I'm using Thinkorswim as my charts. Todd Duff, GME looking for Runsky. GME. Ooh, Todd, you might be right. Toddy-O, you might be right. It's not my kind of play, but you might be right. Hopefully you get it, my man. I use sink or swim. Yeah, you sink your ass or you swim. And NVC, I'm just letting it ride out. That's pretty much what I'm doing right now. CCIV, I'm gonna make another shot at it. We'll see what happens. Chiefs starting to work a little bit. I like Perry. Perry's looking kind of nice. Hopefully some of you guys got it. I saw it way too late, but I like it. So good job, whoever was pointing it out. Do you ever trade the VXX? No, I don't, Neil. And by the way, Neil, I know I've already said this, but thanks for being a supporter, brother. Todd, what does LFG mean? Nick, would you share your DAS layout for executions in one of your upcoming videos? Cycling to use hotkeys. I don't use hotkeys. My DAS layout is only the screen you see, to be honest. I don't use DAS to trade other than showing you guys my executions. Thinkorswim, I have all my charts right here. Thinkorswim. Oh, I don't give a shit, Shivam, about anyone else's opinion right now when I'm trading, because to be honest with you, man, it can influence me, and I don't like to. I know that's a weakness of mine, so I like to ignore anything that anyone says while I'm trading during the day. So that's just me. Hopefully you understand that. Maybe later I could check it after I'm done trading. I don't mind checking it then, but I'm all about protecting up here, brother. Let's fucking go. Oh, okay. I didn't know that's what it meant. I did not know. Look at that, Perry coming back down. We got barely trade OTCs because I don't like just sitting there watching. I like using stops, and you can't do that in OTCs, so I kind of think they're shitty. They're great movers, though. Oh my god, they're amazing. If you like sitting there watching it, they're amazing. I just don't trade them. That's just a personal thing. Chiefs. Okay, Chiefs. Starting to work for me. I can feel a little bit better about this one. Cover a small piece. I need to be adding on this sucker. Then we got CCIV starting to work a little bit, which is nice. Cover a small piece because we're at low a day. Why not? I'm in at, let's see. Come on, CCIV. I need you to break down for me, brother. Break down for me. There we go. Things are starting to work. Things are starting to work. Here we go. Neil, you guys need to watch B's latest video he posted yesterday. Thanks, Neil. Appreciate that, brother. Kevin, I don't assume it's going to be all day fader, but I will hold it until it tells me to get out. And right now, I don't see a reason to get out. Maybe above. It's hard to say. Maybe above 780s, maybe. I'm still watching it. CCIV, hopefully we get a continuation. What's up, Tim? How you doing, bro? How you doing this morning? I'm doing okay. I'm trading well. I'm executing well. That's all that matters. Ashton, thanks for being a supporter as well as you, Tim and Neil. Finally got internet set up at my new place. Glad I could catch this stream. Absolutely. I'm glad you're here, Ashton. Anthony, what is your average? I don't know which one you're referring to, brother, but if you let me know, I don't mind sharing. Hopefully we get a pop over here. Looks like Perry's gonna go without me. That's okay. Oh, what is your average size you trade? I trade full size, half size, quarter size, depending on what I feel is good for the opportunity. I don't think of percentage of account. I think of what I'm comfortable with losing per trade. So if you're comfortable losing 1,000 per trade, that's 1 R. So half of 1 R is 500 and so forth. Who is this guy acting as me? Do you see that? Report that guy. Holy crap. That's hilarious. There's one person you can credit for teaching you how to trade. Who would it be? No one. I can't credit one person. That's just completely effed up. I've learned over a long period of time, gotten things from different people. Many have helped me along the way. When I say that, I don't mean like individually help me. Like they said, hey, let me show you. It was more like I just took bits and pieces. One person did kind of help me a little bit more, for sure. Scott, he was on my show. He helped me just review my trades, really. That's it. Gave me his point of view and what he saw on lines. And we kind of trade very similar now. But we completely trade different tickers all the time. It's wild. But he's a great man, great mentor. Not really a mentor, he doesn't say, because he's not. He doesn't teach. We just are good friends now. But he's helped me recently on honing in on my style in terms of giving me more confidence and making sure that I had someone to review with at the end of the day kind of helped me over time. So I can definitely tell you that. Okay, and then VC, what are you going to do for me, buddy? You going to keep fading? There you go. Whoever said that, good job, man. It's going. Hopefully you're doing good, but man, GME is looking pretty nice for you, bro. I bet you there's a chance that AMC will follow suit. Norman, your thoughts on price and volume action on MIK? Let's find out, my man. Let me give you my thoughts. A penny for your thoughts, my friend. So first off, it's definitely bullish on the big picture. You can see that clearly, right? On the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour. Can definitely see a bullish trend. We broke this consolidation. Oh, what just happened? So I can definitely see a case for bullish right now. It's got some decent volume too. So yeah, I can see a case for bullish. And personally, let's see. I don't really That's all I could really say, man. I don't really know, to be honest. I mean, maybe get in near this last pivot, but I don't know, dude. I really don't. But other than that, I can tell you it's bullish. All right, let's see. Target is coming down. Is SPY panicking? No. Okay. Okay, Target. Chiefs. Thoughts on Chiefs? Right now I'm short, so I'm thinking short bias. We'll see what happens. I'm looking to add more, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that opportunity. I was wrong at the open on it. CCIV, let's get a nice little pullback on this, please. It seems like what Les says, I've been too anxious. Perry's looking nice right now, guys. I don't like the spread, 10 cents a spread. I don't really like that on Perry. But, yeah. It's still overall a breakout, though. All right. Neil, retail in general having a bad day. I guess so, man. I don't know. Whoop. How's your friend that you're helping to get into trading? He's doing good, man. He's still reading. He's doing the right process. He's on the last 2 books, volume price analysis and technical analysis. Raphael, NNVC, gap up short. Sure. It definitely gapped up and I'm short. Nick, do you have a custom script for single clicking your support lines and pricing alerts? No. I'm actually right clicking and then selecting the price. For some reason, it doesn't transfer over when I do that on the screen here, which is so weird. But yeah, I'm not, it's just actually doing it. You just don't see that for some reason. Sorry about that, Nick. Who is this cat? You see this Be the Story trying to act as me? It's ridiculous. I would never sell anything like this. I'll never give you a phone number. Just don't believe these fake people. Charlie, good morning. These stocks that you were shorting today, do you have to pay to locate? All of them have been easy to borrow from me, except, let me see if I have to pay for any of them. None. I paid for none of my stocks today. That's because I use Cobra Trading, my broker. If you let them know I sent you, they'll hook me up, which I appreciate. So a nice little thank you. And they'll hook you up too with a discounted per trade as well as a lower entry fee. And they have the best borrows. And they're like Chick-fil-A when it comes to customer service. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this live stream, first off, thank you for being here. Do me a solid. We had about 180 people in here. Hit that like button. We're about at 60 likes. Hit that like button for me so we can get more people in here. It helps me grow. Hit that subscribe. Hit the bell because I've been doing this every day since last week and enjoying it. And then on top of that, if you're already a subscriber, share the show with another friend, another trader. That's one free way you can do to help me grow. Or another thing is just say thank you, is give back. If you want to go above and beyond, as I'm giving back to you guys doing this just because I want to do this, is you can definitely check out the pledge button, click and join, and you can make a small pledge donation to the show, which helps me put more back into the show for the interviews that I do. And then on top of that, I mean, other than that, guys, I just appreciate you all being here. So subscribe, I appreciate it. Christian, By the way, if you're wondering how these guys have the letter B next to their name, it's because they're small. They're pledge donors, and I can see their name in green highlighted right away to read it. I know you said it a couple of times, but what was the order of books you told your friend to read? Oh, I don't remember now off the top of my head, but that video, I can link it to you. I'll do that here shortly. Let me see. Let's link that book from a man. Let's link that book from a man. What we got for you here, brother? I think it was this book. Yep. So this is the video of me talking about showing my friend how to trade and the books I think he should read and the process he should go through after reading and so forth. The process that I wish someone would have taught me. That's what I'm doing with my buddy. Alex Lee, how did the video release do yesterday? It did well, man. Appreciate the help, everyone. If you're wondering, it is 9:44 a.m. and I'm at 11 a.m. on this drink. So I may be using the restroom a lot here shortly. Right now, I'm just trying to be patient in my plays, guys. If you guys see any questions, see anything. If you guys have any chart analysis questions, let me know. Happy to start getting into some of that. Nah, not for me, not for me. Just playing a patience game right now. What's your Lee? What's your PT on NVC? I'm thinking low sixes. Hey, doesn't matter what I think. If you think that, go for it, bro. I'm just riding out the trend right now. To be honest, I have no clue where it's going to go. No one does. But I am riding this trend, and we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Nice, Raphael. Good short, my man. Tracking the data. Hey, Nick. I did not trade Vuzi today. I use all time frames, Ninja. You must be new, so welcome to the show, man. I look at literally every time frame. You can ask everyone here who's been watching the last 6 streams. Every single time frame. I mainly use the 5 and 10 minute when I'm executing, though. I'm watching Perry like a hawk right now. Yeah, I can't ignore that. I have very tight on this one. This is just a quick move. I'm probably going to be right or wrong. I do know it's a breakout, but I can't ignore that we're breaking a nice trend and we're holding it for a second here. So I'm trying to be a little patient with it. But because it is a breakout, I'm not going to give it much room at all. Like at all. I'll be out of it pretty quick. Yeah, so I'm out. It is what it is. It was such small size, it doesn't even matter. CCIV. Nick, how old do you reserve your stocks to short? Right around 750 Central. Around that time period. Nice, holding breakout. Do you trade all day or only trade in the morning? I mainly just trade in the morning. How early in the day do you already answered that? What music? It's just meditation music, brother. Let's see. Getting some further pullback. How do you feel about answering the same question over? I just answer. Guys, I don't skip you on purpose. I'm not going to keep scrolling up though. So sometimes I'll just miss questions. Don't take it personally. When did you start trading? Like 3.5, 4 years ago. Silly question, Melissa. No silly questions, I'm sure, but is shorting stocks the opposite of buying them? Yes. When you bet it's going to go down, that's shorting. Nice little breakout play. It seems like these breakouts are just going. Dionysus, I think they're all great, so I don't know, my man. Or my lady, whichever that name is. Yo, Domi, why did my P&L go down when the shares I bought went up? I don't know. Maybe you're in multiple positions. All right, restroom break, people. Restroom break. The wife made a badass breakfast. I am about to chow down. Oh no. 5-second rule, right? 5-second rule. Yeah. Let's cut it and we'll put it in another black Ziploc. Okay. So, kind of just being patient right now. Trying to wait for potential ads on CCIV. We'll see. NNVC is just working. I mean, I can't really do much. What's up, Black Shadow? Good morning. Kind of late today. It's all good, man. Mr. D, what's up, man? NMVC is so stubborn. Does not want to go down faster. It is super slow. Thanasis, mostly short or long. I do both. Joey, what would be your advice to add to a position when it's acting such as in NVC? I wouldn't add. I'm in NVC. I'm not adding right now. Let's see. Just waiting for this sucker to come. Let's do it. So it seems like I'm going to be in a couple of slow movers right now. Thanasis, I'm not going to recommend you anybody. I don't recommend anybody to anyone. It's just what I don't do that. Black Shadow, can you look at JCS? Sure, brother. Right now, for me right now, nothing, but it could become a good long later. But right now, it looks like a short still. But right now, this is what I see. So, I don't know, bro. Nothing too hot right now. But it's a good one to keep on radar because it's kind of like A-Pen. You remember A-Pen? Did the same thing and then went like this. And then went right there on A-Pen. See how that's kind of similar? So I've been watching it and I'm gonna watch it, so I appreciate you bringing it back on my radar. CCIV, a little pullback there, buddy. Did I get executed? Trying to cover my last position at those levels, as you can see. You live every day? I'm trying to. No commitment, but I'm trying to. Maverick, what are you eating? Feeling grubby, like looking at you. Yo, check out my wife made me a bomb-ass breakfast. It's sunny side up eggs, turkey bacon, and toast. Bomb. I'm watching JCS now, though. Just FYI. JCS is a pretty neat one. Controlled. Your guess is just a guess, Thanasis. Everyone is just guessing. We don't know what's going to happen, to be honest. The one right here, Smith Mendoza, is DAS. The one over here is Thinkorswim. Come on, Chiefs. Let's go, son. Is that meditation music? Yes, it is. It is meditation music, bro, man. CCIV is just a slow son of a gun right now. I appreciate you too, Black Shadow. Appreciate it, my man. By the way, guys, welcome to the show. Do me a solid. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified for future videos, because I drop every Monday and Wednesday interviews with successful traders who are way ahead of me, as well as sharing my own progress and giving you advice on what's gotten me consistent. And also I do live. I'm starting to do it, starting to enjoy it, so make sure you hit that bell so you're notified. And if you've been watching for a while and you're watching the live right now, hit that like button so that way we can get more people in this room to see and get something that's free, right? I'm just all about giving back and changing the trading community for the better. And my goal is you do the same. As you find your success, you start to think, you know what can I do to help others? That's what I want you to think about. So just remember, hit that like, hit that subscribe. And if you want to go above and beyond that, you can do one of two things. You can hit that join button to make a small pledge donation to the show to help me improve it. Or you can hit that super chat and donate whatever you want, and then your chat will pop up here. So thank you guys. Where is your level 2? It's here on my screen, but I don't use it when I trade. So just FYI, like there's maybe like 1 to 3% of my trades that I use level 2. Ponzi, are you trying to scheme me? That's cheesy, I know. But anyway, you need at least 25K. I mean, I think you need 27K to get into Cobra if you go through me. If you don't go through me, you need 30K. Come on, Chiefs. Nothing is linked together. I'm just liking using the charts on Thinkorswim. They're my favorite. That's to SK Martin. John Hill, please keep the live coming. I'm trying, brother. If you missed the other 5 last week, go watch those. This is one of the best lives I've seen yet. Thanks, man. Let me ask you guys this. If you enjoy this live more than others that you've seen, I'm curious, why do you like it more? Let me know. Byron B, could you show us a picture of what your actual trading setup screen looks like? Yeah, I think you can see it on my Instagram. Go to Be The Story 87 and you can see it there. Just being patient, people. Just being patient. JCS. Oh, I see you. All right. We'll see what happens. AMRS. We got these longs just going. Yesterday, what was that one ticker? Was it JCS? Good job on GameStop. Very good job. Come on, CCIV. Come down further, brother. Come down further. Roy, I use Cobra Trading. They're like Chick-fil-A. They're the best service out there. And if you reach out to them and let them know I sent you, you get the same service, the same discount that I use. I get a discount for every trade I do. And you'll get that, and it helps me out a little bit. So appreciate it, bro. No, I do not use it. I don't use any technical indicators at all. That's just me personally. I just don't like them. Master Plays. A real one. TASY. It's better. Oh, that's why it's better. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Allie, you're very humble and you can tell you're genuinely trying to help the community out. Thank you, Allie. Appreciate it. Got lucky. Big man upstairs is on my side. Only got a small piece left on this one. Looking for this area. Previous support. We're getting a little breakdown. Chiefs? Come on, Chiefs. Come down for me. Do you feel like Daniel Scott? Do you feel like Trading Live helps you stick to your rules? Actually, I feel like Trading Live makes me worse because I'm not used to it yet. And imagine trading in front of 200 people, 100 people, 50 people, and understanding that all you need to worry about is yourself and ignore the noise and focus on you and don't worry about what people think. That's helping me get better at that. So it's good practice. Neil, that's why B Stream is better. Is his attitude, psychology is everything in trading. Thank you, man. SK, bon appetit. Roy, thanks. No problem, man. Holy shit, my wife put the heater on and now I can't freaking breathe in here. Holy crap. Thanks, Byron. Appreciate it. I wonder if I should just cover CCIV because I'm being impatient. I still like it. Holy crap. I cannot breathe. It's hot in here. One second, guys. I gotta get this heater off. I'm dying. Whew. Christian, thank you for that, man. Yeah, it's not comfortable trading in front of you guys at all. For those, and this is probably why a lot of people don't do it who are real, because it's stressful. And because a lot of those people that you follow are fake. The one, I mean, you know what's crazy to me, guys? Can I ask you guys a question? It always shocked me that I would pay for services back in the day, and not many would really trade live, or if any of them. And if they did, it was more of like just telling you where they're getting in, and that's it. It wasn't like showing you everything. Kind of weird, but anyway, I always wondered why. But you know, it could be because it's hard. It's definitely hard. What's up, Neil? What's up, my man? I'm trying to be patient. Oof. Let's see if we'll get low a day here on CCIV. Chiefs is just slow too. I'm probably be wrong on this the way it's acting. It's not really acting the way I want. But it is what it is. We're getting that lower day test. Chris, it may be a all day fade, or it may just come all the way back. We don't know. We don't. If we knew, you would be in all your account. I'm done on CCIV. Just because, you know what? Dollar share, I'll take it. Let's see. Serin Vavasario Tipura. This is not, I would never tell you that answer to that question. He said, what's a good stock to buy now? You have to figure that out, bro. Cousin of Hermes, welcome back, bro. Good morning. My trade's never formed up, so not forcing anything. Once you have your watch list, do you ever add to it? Yes, I do. I do add to it. Today was kind of a slow day, which is probably why I'm going to be a small day, and it is what it is. It is what it is. Johnny Johnson, he wants to know, what's your P&L for the day? First off, a couple of reasons. Number one, it's my privacy. I'll never share that. So if that's what you're looking for, see ya. Number two, that never helps you. If anything, it's going to be useless for you, whether it's 100,000, 1,000, $1, 10 grand. How does that help you? It doesn't. And other than that, I'm here to just give back to the community. So if you're not about that either. Michelle Castro, most people don't trade. It's much simpler making money selling a chat room service, maybe using a demo account. So Alex, is normal that you feel uncomfortable trading live with an audience? Yeah, thank you, Michelle. I appreciate that. Oh. SK, I can't get how people ask questions like, what's your P&L or what stocks to buy? I know, SK. It's just how people are because everyone wants the easy road and because there's a lot of advertisements saying it's so easy. SK, yes, you're here to learn the process, not the outcome. He's always said that it isn't the first time. Always here to support. Thanks, BD. Can someone answer Johnny's question? Because I don't think he gets it. My goal is execute well. Process over profits. That's all I focus on. Don't look at P&L until the end of the day. Because for me, if I do look at it all day, it'll affect my trades. That's my goal. Execute well. That is the only goal. I have a good trading day if at the end of the day, I can say I executed well today, regardless if I'm red or green. It's the ones who say it's only a good day when you have green are the ones who are selling a course. You know? Need to watch more of your videos and learn. Thanks, Samir. Appreciate it. Thanks, BDNE. The goal is to follow rules in your process. Amen to that, man. And NVC. Let's see. Yeah, this isn't a chat room service, so you're not paying to be here, and I agree with SK. But I appreciate you being here at the end of the day. It's unfortunate that the time of day I don't like to trade after around this time. Volatility just slows down. Riot is very interesting. I'm watching it. Nick O'Block, can you explain why you took a short position pre-market on an NVC? I'm just curious because to me it looks bullish. Yeah, no worries, brother. No worries. I can answer that. So I took it pure and simple on the daily. We have resistance all in this area. Every spike has failed. Then I went to the 30-minute, 15-minute, and what I drew first is on the 10-minute. You can see clearly, boom. We started to go on the backside, so I started to short here, and then that's it. That's the whole reason why I started to short. So hopefully that makes sense, brother. Been talking to a lot of other traders who've been consistent for years, and we're realizing that we're going back to the original market so far. It could always come back, where it's just slower, you know, like in 2019, 18. And this is when we start to wean out the quick winners who became millionaires in 2020, who just bought and bag hold and everything was going up. This is where, if it stays this way, this is where you start to wean out real people from the fakes. It's hard. It's way harder. I mean, even for me, it's way harder. So I'm not saying I'm better than anyone. I'm just saying like it's hard. It's way harder than what it was. But there's still edges as long as you follow price action. Tom, good luck, my man, Tom. Hey, Nick, hopefully that explanation helped you out, my man. Chiefs looks like we're going to break down, which would be nice. Minty. Is it supposed to be mint? Do you trade small caps or large? Both. If I remember correctly, a few months ago, you were leaning more towards large caps. Don't know if that... Yeah, I do both all the time. Nah, Samir. 2019 market was garbage compared to 2020 and 2021. Let's stand up again because my neck is killing me. Remo, I've interviewed a lot of people multiple times, Remo. And like I said, I don't really promote any type of service, so I can't really give you my opinion on that. What I will say is Nate does a great job on his free Sunday scan every Sunday on his YouTube channel. Phenomenal. Derek, and Nate's a good guy, man. I like him a lot. Derek, I noticed when I moved from low floats to large cats, my positive expectancy dramatically, those borrow fees on losing days compounded my losses and ate my profits on good days. Cool. Good notice. Good eye. Good eye. All right, let's go to this JCS. It's 11. All right. Anybody know what Bitcoin's doing right now? Is it tanking by chance? Do you know? I should probably look it up myself. That's what I'll do. Who am I to ask you guys? You know what I'm saying? The fuck? Better look it up your damn self. You know what I'm saying? Let's find out. Let's find out. Okay. Right now, guys, I'm just kind of browsing, seeing what else is out there. I am paying attention to JCS though. I'm definitely paying attention to that right now. $7 million float. An agreement with Pineapple Energy. Shivam, do I think Perry is a clean breakout? Yeah. Looks sick. Looks really good. It's got some good volume behind it. Could potentially be a swing, but we have tons of resistance, so for me it's nothing but there is resistance here. Let's make that a different color. I'm watching JCS. I'm in no rush for this, but I'm watching it. I like it. Oh, cool, Todd. Appreciate that. Jason, where are you going to check the float? Finviz. Finviz.com. Samir, any tips on how you separate good plays from medium ones? Over time, you just need a lot of screen time. And drawing all your lines, support, resistance, which ones look easy? If they look easy, those are the ones you should try. And over time, you'll start to learn which ones are easier and which ones are not. Christian, do you have any specific lessons, tips that helped in your short bias? I have tons of those in my videos that I make every Monday and Wednesday, Christian, but just because you are a pledger, I appreciate you, my man. I'll just tell you real quick, one of the biggest things is making sure that I short on those pops rather than chasing drops. That's been huge. And waiting for backside. Shrey, I recently started trading and I don't have much funding. I'm starting at 50 pounds. Any advice? I wouldn't start yet. I would read a lot of books about trading, then paper trade, then save up money, then start day trading. KB, what up, man? Do you prefer trading BTC or GBTC? None. I don't trade any. Ty, Finviz isn't as accurate as BAMSEC. That's true. I use BAMSEC too, but I was looking at Finviz just now. Alex, people passionate about trading, why not join trading firms like SMB? Because they take money from you. Like, they take a percentage of everything you earn. I don't know. They're not bad. I think they're badass, but just not for me right now. Charlie, in shorting the ETB stock, is it the same going long where you just have to jump in anytime you want? Oh, if it's easy to borrow, you can just jump in. Yeah, where I got in could easily be a chase, but I'm willing to be in here just to see, because of how this stock moves. This thing could go if it wants to. So volume was nice on that. You see that volume right there? But we'll see. Could easily be wrong. It's a little early for this play. And we got NMVC still working it out. Chiefs still just hanging in there. I mean, is 9's going to break or is it not? Melissa, hey B, gotta run. Thanks for the live again today. We'll keep it playing while I'm gone to keep the views up. Have a fantastic day. Thanks. Appreciate it. I wonder, we're gonna get a breakdown here. I don't know. So I'm pretty much holding Chiefs. I mean, this last piece that I get out is going to be, if I get stopped out, would be for basically break even. A small gain, but break even at the end of the day. Whew. And NNVC still looking good. Same thing, my last piece on this, I'm in at 830s, 38. So it'll be fine. JCS looks like it could be working. We'll see. Could easily freaking die here. Could easily die here. At NJ, let's see. Appreciate that, Christian. Daniel, are you long or short? I do both. Jason, did you build your PC in specs it have? No, I built my first one. My other one, not first one. I've had many. The one before this one I built. This one I bought on CyberPower PC. Best Texas or Best X. Can you use the futures to see where the market is going? No, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Like, I don't use futures at all, so can't help you there, bro. Cena wants to know, why do I use DAS to execute my trades? Thanks to Swim for Charts. I just prefer it. Nick, what are you looking for in JCS? A move up. Matt Owens, it's time to be the story of the story. I guess so, my man. What's up, brother? How you doing? Just so you know, that's very peaceful music you have playing in the background. Thanks, Nell. I have to have that. Nathan Ray, would you do an interview with Matt as? I don't know. Matt Owens. Hi, hi. Hi, Matty-O. Iron Eagle, about 2R. Jason Styles. I need a new PC for trading. Is there anything? Nah, not at all. Trading software is garbage, so you don't have to worry about it. If you have a gaming PC, you're doing fine. Doing well, Matt. Doing well. Thanks, brother. Master Plays, maybe. I don't know. If I can, as an interview request, that guy JJ Gorilla, maybe. Jason Styles, appreciate it. Adam, how many R's have you locked in today? I don't know. I don't look at that until the end of the day. MT Alex, could you get some advice on what you should do to start ironing out a niche? Maybe some pointers for a long bias trader. Was there any aha moments? Creating a plan, sticking to the plan, and ignoring what I have to say to you, or what anyone has to say to you, and then doing that process over and over, and then over time you'll start to see what works for you, because your eyes see different things than my eyes. And that's how you figure out what's good for you, your own style. Titan, Naughty Liz. Do you ever hold shorts overnight? No, I used to. Never anymore. Since I think I made a new rule in 2019, I didn't do that anymore. So I haven't done that for 2 years. All right, Master. We already talked about that, my man. Chill out, brother. Who is your favorite NBA player? I'm not big into sports, but LeBron is one of my favorites just because I just like what he does. Kobe is great too. Jordan, of course. I just like skilled players who work their ass off. CD-ROM, welcome back, brother. What's up, Pete? How you doing, man? You gonna sell me a piece? You gonna sell me a piece? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Do you use Trade Ideas for your scans? No. I don't use any. I don't pay for any scanning services. I use whatever comes with DAS through Cobra Trading, and I use this one website. I'll show you. And I just click on pre-market. It's so simple. I don't even type anything in. I just let it tell me the big pre-market movers. Pretty simple. I like to keep it that way. What are your thoughts on Steven Dux? He's been on my show a couple of times. I respect him. JCS just sold a small piece. There we go. Oh no! I don't know why I just did that. Fuck. I was trying to put 8, not 9. What the hell, Alex? Dude, I did this yesterday too. Oh well. Oh well. Oh, did I buy more? Oh, I bought more. That's not good. I'm selling that. I wasn't trying to buy more. I was trying to freaking. It's all good. I just messed up my trade there. That sucks. I was trying to put a stop, but I bought a buy order. Anyway, it happens. Now it's going to go without me. Damn. Yeah, Black, I just screwed myself. I'm still watching it though. Good, Rise won the great. I'm glad you started focusing on probability. I'm hoping it doesn't go because I accidentally got out. That would piss me off. That would suck. I hope it pulls back. Now that's your decision to make. If you think, whoever you think is better, that's up to you. That's your own opinion. CD-ROM, I think when you try to show the website showing pre-market scans, didn't bring you up to the main screen. I don't know what you mean. Samir, how long you been trading for? How long did it take you to start clicking? I clicked the day one. Oh, you mean clicking in my head like where I got it? Like 3 years. But I've been trading for about 4. Yeah, I'm going to miss this. USOB. Oh, that sucks. That sucks, guys. I just screwed myself. Damn it. What do crowded tickers mean? It basically just means it's crowded. There's a lot of people in it. A lot of volume. Maybe rotates flow 3 or 4 times. So that means it's going to be very volatile. Because there's so much emotion wrapped up in it. Oh, Adam, I accidentally was trying to put a stop loss to protect my long. And I put buy instead. And it bought me more shares. So I just got out because I wasn't trying to buy more shares. And so I just got out because that is not part of the plan. So if it's not part of the plan, just get out. And I'm glad I did because then now I can wait for a better opportunity. Let's see. I'm no longer in it anymore. Daniel, I'm still trying to day trade for 6 months now. Still, I promise to be consistent. My losers are way too big than my winners. Then make sure that you downsize, trade really small, and also make sure that you use stop losses, especially when you're new. Well, I guess that mistake was a blessing because I got out with a nice trade, and now it's coming down pretty nicely. So I'm watching it. I'm watching it like a hawk right now. See what happens here. How do I risk when levels hold, Tommy Smith? I don't know what you mean by that. Interesting, JCS. See what happens. See what happens. What are you gonna do, JCS? What are you gonna do? You gonna die out? Okay, here we go. Is it gonna die? What are you gonna do, buddy? What are you gonna do? So I got a tight stop on JCS because it could easily flush. But I like that we came down the trend line and we held it. So it's just like shorting. Came up to a key area, we held. I'm gonna get in short. In this case, I'm gonna get in long. And it could easily break down, like easily. Again, I never know what the hell's gonna happen. But we'll see. We got a good entry now, though. NVC is starting to come up. Well, I'm probably gonna get stopped out of my last position of there, maybe even here. And I think I'll be done for the day in JCS. So we'll see. Neil, regarding your JCS trade, would you rather wait for a 5-minute candle to form, or if that trend line holds, then risk off that low? Sure, but I don't think of it like that. I'm kind of just looking at it and seeing how it's acting, and I had a nice reaction above it, but it doesn't mean it's not going to break. It could easily break right now, and then I'll be getting out. But at this price, the risk reward is really good, so I'm willing to take that risk. Because if it goes back up to 950, we're going to break it at this point. In my opinion, I don't know. But if we don't, we're going to break 840 and I'm done. But I can't ignore it because it reminds me of APEN yesterday. Rick, if you use a margin, you do not have to wait for your funds to settle. Here's the thing, guys. I never know what's going to happen with any of my trades. I just position myself with a high risk reward, and that's it. And that's what I'm doing right now. And just trying to keep my head on straight. Because at the end of the day, like, all that matters is executing well. And if I can do that over and over, then I'm happy. I just add it. We'll see what happens. Could easily be wrong here. Watch it break high day. But I do like that it rejected this line. My eyes are killing me now. Oh. Just covered a small piece of my ad. Probably cover another small piece, yeah. on that NNVC. Because this is easily squeezed. Easily. So I'm just holding. I added a much bigger position there at that 750 mark. And now I'm just going to hold the rest for a lower day test if we're going to start to fade. If this is an all-day fader, we're going to continue. If it's not, then we're going to go up. It's that simple. But if we're going to all-day fade, I'd rather all-day fade with me in it with bigger size. So, we'll see. Neil, when you first started trading, did you have an account over 25K? No. Did you start with an account below PDT? Yes. Rick Parsley, thanks B, no worries. Connor, what do you need to take a trade? 1-to-1 minimum is what I look for. Min T, we are blessed to be able to trade for a living. Yes, we are, my man. God is good. Thomas Law, NNVC, done. Is it, Thomas? Is it done? Yo. Is it done, Thomas? I hope you're the guru, my man, because if you are, please make it go down. Your whole life depends on this trade now. Sam Lee Roy. Oh shit, JCS. Look at JCS. Let's make sure I can do this right this time. JCS just sold a small piece. Nice gain though. Let's see. NV Thomas, hey Alex, man, you didn't answer my questions. Can you see my chats? I'm looking at them, bro. I'm not reading. I'm not just scrolling up. Everyone, I'm not scrolling up looking for chats. If you want your chat to pop up here and just alert me, I'll get to it right away. You make like a 10-cent donation, like whatever you want. You can do a super chat and it pops up. You could 1 penny if you want it to pop up. It doesn't matter. That's up to you. But I just want you to know that. Let's see. We gonna go back to 950. I don't know, buddy. There we go. Come on, NVC. Let's pull back more, brother. Let's pull back more. Come on, brother. Pull back some more. I gotta cover some at 7 probably. AMT Mex from Nicholas Smith popping off all-time highs right now. What do I think? I don't think about anything, brother. Damn. Blue skies, blue skies, blue skies. I think it's going high. For sure, it looks great. Looks cool. I don't know other than that, my man. The range on it's not too great for me. It's all preference though. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? My entry in risk is 764, risking 750 from Thomas Law. Well, good for you, Thomas. KB, everybody's got their own style. Amen. And Sif, I saw a video enjoying IU. That service is just like a Discord room, but cool. That's your opinion. I like short and long. SK, appreciate it, my man. I have to go do, yesterday I was supposed to do an inspection on the construction of the new house, but today we had to reschedule it to today, so I'm doing that today. Yeah, I'm shorting D exclamation with Cobra Trading. They're a sponsor of mine on the podcast. If you reach out to them, let them know I sent you their way. Not only do you get Chick-fil-A service, but you get a discounted rate and you get a lower bar of entry, and they take care of you well, and it helps me out. So holla at me. B, are you shorting? Yeah, oh my bad, I just reread it. What's up, Jeremiah? Oh, my back, dude. Holy crap. Oh. Is it better to start from Ravi's Vutnan? It's better to start trading with small account. Process over profits. But I'm thinking, is it worth to buy some courses or just try to learn? I don't recommend buying anything personally. So, Connor, in terms of backtesting your setups, are you paying more weight to the last? I don't backtest. I just trade price action. D exclamation mark. Cool. Thanks, man. No worries. KB, good luck on the inspection, B. Thank you. And I guess I just been trading for 3 or 4 years in terms of backtesting. Then I look at all those charts. I save them all. And I can see how I trade it and what works well and what doesn't. So that's kind of backtesting now, but I never really did the whole backtest. Oh my. I started to get stressed. My music cut off. You hear that? Let's put that thing back on. Thank you. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this channel, do me a solid, because it does help me grow. I'm putting a lot into this. Doing live trading, it's already stressful enough. But if you can do me a solid, hit that like button. It's the very least you could do. We have about 200 people in here, 135 likes. Help me out there. Appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit the bell so you're notified when we do this again. We've been doing it every day the past week. And then, if you want to go above and beyond, share it with a friend. Share it with another trader. Help me out. I appreciate it. That's an easy way to say thank you. And if you want to go above that, make a small pledge donation to the show by clicking that little join button. And you can always use super chat here in the chat. If you want me to see your message and highlights and pops up here, you can put like $1 donation and put, hey Alex, what's going on? Thank you, or whatever you want. And it pops up. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that. Bed Bruja. Thank you, Bed, first off. Thank you so much for being a supporter of the show. It means a ton to me, man. Thank you. To get to your question, does PDT rules work? How does PDT rule work? Is it 3-day trades out of the 5? Is there any limitation? So each broker, pay attention. Each broker has their own unique way of defining a day trade. But the rule is you can't have more than 3 day trades in a rolling 5-day period. If you do, they'll block you for like 90 days. What is the music called? From Alex Trading. I'll send you the link, my man. This is a link to the song that I'm listening to. What's up, Santos Kumar from India? Chiefs coming back down, playa. All right, Chiefs, what are you going to do for me? You gonna work for me, or you gonna just say, nah, we good, we're just gonna go all the way back up? At this point, Chiefs, I'm not giving you any more space. Tired of waiting on your ass. NVC, shit, could come all the way against me again, so we'll see. But I hope it doesn't. I really hope it doesn't. JCS looks like it could be curling down, but still holding trend. We'll see. We will see. Oh, Nail Carter, thanks for the donation, man. I appreciate it so much, my man. It means a lot to me. Thank you for that, brother. Dog scan goat. Do me a favor. I'm gonna delete that. Be a little bit more calm. Only post like once, my man. And then I'm happy to go over it. Just do it. You know, be calm. We got Sam Siduki, INUV. Cool, man. Maybe you're short. Good job if you're short. Not for me. There's no range on it. I personally think there's no range. Look at that, 140 to 168. It's nothing, personally. But if you like that, go for it. I'm probably gonna get stopped out, huh? Yeah, probably gonna get stopped out here, buddy. That's just what happens. Asif, you don't want to be a bag hoarder, bro. That's like, if you ever want to become a trader and self-efficient and be successful and consistent, you'll sell that position now. Because you'll never make it if you back hold. Because if you end up being right and making money, it's going to teach you the complete wrong lesson. And good luck relearning that. Rafa, I wanted to thank you for everything you do. Thank you, Rafa. I appreciate it. Sam, thank you. Thank you. Inspection's in about 2 hours, so. Asif, can you give us an example of price action? You're seeing it, bro. That's all I trade off of, price action. Kevin, welcome, my man. God, do me a solid, hit subscribe, and I drop videos every Monday and Wednesday about these things. So you can go back and watch. I got tons of over 200 videos of how I draw my lines, support resistance, trend lines. But I've learned over time, and there's some good books, really good books. If you click on the description of any of my videos, go to my kit where I show you my desktop and everything, what I use to trade with, my favorite books. You can see all the books in there. And 2 of them are called Trading Technical Analysis and Volume Price Analysis. Really good books. SK wants to know my opinion on Rocket. I'm bullish on it, but no, I don't see anything yet. But You can't argue. Definitely bullish on this son of a gun. Stand by, restroom break. Okay. Toronto, I'm not short AMTX. I'm not even in that. Thomas, hey Alex, check out the 1215 candle in VC. Cool. Thanks for letting me check it out. I see it. Hey yo, man, today is so choppy. Yeah, it is. Hard to trade. Managed to get some shorts off JCS on the double top for scalps, but that's it. Good job. Good job. Jim O'Haron. How's everything going? It's going great, man. Justin. With MicroStrategy, I noticed it has a huge swings playing off of Bitcoin. I don't know what MicroStrategy means, but cool, man. Appreciate it. If you mean micro caps, trading those, I don't know. I have an opinion if it trades off of Bitcoin. Thomas Law. Hey, Alex, check out. Oh, you just repeated that. Or did I just read it twice? Anthony, you used to be in the cult, baby. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys? What we're gonna do? If you guys would like me to review one of my trades today, just say please review a trade, and I'll review why I got in, why I'm getting out, everything. And happy to do that. Michael Saylor's company. Okay. Christian, when you were paper trading, what software did you use? DAS. You could paper trade on DAS night and day, and it literally looks real. So that's how easy it is to be like real in this industry. Just FYI. What are you gonna do here, buddy? JCS, man, like, it is what it is. I could easily get stopped out. But so far, I'm liking this a lot. There we go, JCS. Another shot. Let's go. Please review trades. Okay, I'll review trades. Let's do it. Let's get it going. we will review NNVC. Why did I trade it? And my thoughts about it. And we'll take it slow. Do me a favor while I do this. Share the stream with a friend. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell. Hit the like. Do anything, one of those options. They're all free to do, and it's saying thank you and giving back to me. If you want to go above and beyond that, hit that join button. Make a small pledge donation to the show. Or you can hit super chat. So let's get this going. NNVC. First off, let me check out everything Chiefs. I'm still in that. And we're still in JCS. Could easily be wrong on this one still. Alright. So, NNVC. Let's go ahead and delete everything. Start fresh. First off, guys. I always start with the monthly. Might be useless, but I always start with it. And then I draw my lines. Where are key areas that have rejection? These are key areas for sure. And I go to the daily. Lines up nicely. Then, or that was the weekly. Then the daily. Same thing. I'm just looking at it over. I see a little breakout area here. Then I look at the 4 hour. See how that looks. 30-minute. 15-minute. And at the time, all we saw was this. Okay, we're going to focus on pre-market. That's where I entered. And then I was like, I don't really see much. I went to the 10-minute. And I kind of saw this on the 10-minute. It was kind of clear. Right here. So we started to break down. I thought we may be backside. So I took a position. Not full size. But I took a third size in. And then covered on the way down. You can see that there. You look at the chart right here. And then when it popped back up, I'm thinking, you know what? I think we're backside, especially after this reaction with volume. Volume's important. That I should get a short risking off of this area. And I also was going to be potentially risking off of here. I wanted to see what it acted like. And when we started to come to this area, it made sense for me to take a short. So I added to my position. I should have went full size there, but I only went, I believe I went 2/3 size. And then cover on the way down. And then this ad here, I'm kind of risky. It's afternoon. Afternoon's choppy. But this ad at the last part of the day, we have resistance here. And we got this right here. So all that together adds up to me. Thank you for subscribing, Nathan. All that together brings that to potential reshort, an ad. I don't use VWAP, but I did see it on my execution chart.
Last equals 29.50.
I do see it on my execution chart, and so I was like, oh, okay, that happens to be there too. Cool. I'll add to my position, and then covered a small piece. I'm gonna cover at 710 if I can get it, and so forth. Hey, thanks guys for subscribing. Appreciate all of you. You guys are all awesome. Thank you so much. You guys are helping me out. I appreciate that. I really do, man. That means a lot to me. Thank Brian Lay. Thanks, Megan. Oh, look, I just covered a small piece. Speaking of that, let's go ahead and adjust. Thanks, TDS25. Wow, appreciate you guys. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. That's called price action for me. I'm looking at price action, letting it tell me where to short, where to get in, where to get out. Does that make sense? If it makes sense, please comment. NNVC makes sense. You can see why I covered a small piece here. Just in case. I don't know what's going to happen. You see how I don't know? I have no clue what's going to happen. But I'm going to play it cautious. I'm going to play safe. I'm going to cover a piece. It makes me comfortable. I'll cover another piece at low a day and then ride out my last piece until lower. So we'll see. And actually, I may hold that. We'll see. We'll see. Because I think if we break low a day, we're gonna have a nice little pull. Cheers, Pete. Now, I was sizing in and risking off of 9 and 960. Like if it broke 9 and held above 9, Neil, I would not like that and I'd get out. So that might have been 910. But if it just wicked through, then I would hold. KB, thanks for the donation, man. It means a lot to me. Hey, thank you, KB. I appreciate it. It means a lot that you're willing to give back to me because I'm giving back to you. So I appreciate it so much, man. Good heart, man. Not much, but I do appreciate the work you put in and you want to show support to the channel. Your trade preference, techs, or funds, and can you explain why? You trade preference, techs, or funds? Oh, I don't pay attention to that. I trade anything and everything as long as it has a nice range, volatility, volume. That's what I'm looking for. I don't pay attention to like what sector. Now, if it's a hot sector, like GameStop was for a while, then I do pay attention to that and follow the leader, but I don't trade certain sectors because, you know? I wonder if I open this light. I need to see outside. It's like I'm in this dark room. Hold on. If it fucks up my screen. 1 second. Does that mess up the screen there? No, it doesn't. Christian, I think he means technical or fundamentals. Oh, KB. Okay, sorry about that, KB. That I don't use fundamentals at all. Like 0. Only technicals. The reason why is because I personally have found success that way, and I personally think that technicals really shows you price action and gives you better odds on where it's going. Whereas fundamentals may be for investing, but I'm not an investor. Swing trading, I don't even use it for that. Hold on, guys. We got a little movement. We got a little movement. Come on, JCS. Let's make it happen, baby. I'm gonna I'm gonna sell a piece if I can at 950, prior resistance, and then we'll let it go if it breaks. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out for a loss. Like if it fails here and just fails, I get out for a loss. I don't know if it'll be a loss because I already sold on those pops, so could be okay, but we'll see. It's a little teasing. I don't even like watching it. Watching it gives me anxiety. Like, have you guys noticed when I'm trading, I don't go and just stare at my trades. Like, 'cause if I do, I'll make decisions emotionally, and that might help you guys. Like, I don't stare at my trade. That's why I'm in so many. I let them all pan out. Chiefs is looking kind of weak, but not too weak. It's freaking annoying. Nell, thank you, man. Bro, Nell, thank you. Thank you for that donation, brother. It means a lot. Is the CA mean you're from California? Is that what that means? Thank you, Neil. I appreciate it, brother. It means so much to me that you're willing to give back as I give to you guys. I appreciate that, bro. By the way, guys, I'm starting to enjoy this live thing. So as I do it more often, I may start doing some for just the people who've made a small pledge by clicking that join button, just because it'll be fun to get back to them and do one where they just chat with me only. But that's something that's going to come in the future. Just FYI. Thanks, Be the Trader. Peace. Thank you, D. What's going on in MVC? What are you going to do for me? JCS, what are you going to do for me? You just going to stay there? Good job, I think, whoever was trading RKT. So far, so good for you. Excuse me. RKT is interesting, I'm not gonna lie. It is very, very interesting. What's up, brother? How you doing? Just trading live right now. Yeah, I told you you should be checking it out, brother. Oh shit. Oh really? That sucks. Hey, hold on. Hey, let me call you back in a little bit. All right, see ya. All right, JCS is moving up. That was my buddy who I'm teaching how to trade. Nice little move up there. I'm glad I sold a small piece. I'm still in it though, as you guys know. And now I am gonna ride this sucker, hopefully. So what are some key areas that I'm thinking about? So 10 is obviously a key area where we just stopped out of. That's a daily resistance area. I have a feeling we're gonna break that. I just have a feeling. I don't know. All right, I don't know anything. Yes, there we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, go higher than that. It tried to halt, but it couldn't. That's not a good sign for me. I do like that it's the biggest volume we had all day. If you see here, in terms of the green candles, look at that. That's a good sign there. I'm going to go ahead and sell a piece right here just because I want to play it safe because we tried to halt there and didn't do it. So that could be a negative sign. And now we'll just hold the last piece. We will just hold the last piece and we'll see what happens. We'll see. Donovan Chang. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Thanks for that donation, man. You keep it up too, bro. Thank you. Means a lot that you guys are willing to give back to me when I'm just doing this to give back to you. Thanks, man. Yeah, now there's a channel at 10 too. Absolutely, I see it there. Let's see what happens. I'm so tempted to cover Chiefs because I'm like, what are you doing? The volume dried up. I think I'm gonna get out of this. Volume's dried up. I'm already up. We're just done with Chiefs. How about that? I'm all out of Chiefs. Don't feel like watching that anymore. It'll probably die, but the volume's gone. I don't want to be in a ticker that's completely died on volume. I want to pay attention to these two. These are much more active. This thing can squeeze, guys, so I'm trying to be patient, but if we can get to 1150s, I might sell 11s, I might sell the rest. But I like how I'm playing it. When you said try to halt, do you mean like when they stop trading? How do you see that? Oh, good question, man. So on the level 2, that's the only time I really use it, is you can see when it's about to get halted. It starts to get gray, it starts to move so fast, starts to all of a sudden pause. If it's trying to do that and it can't, to me, I just like to play it safe. I'm like, if you can't halt going up, that means there's not enough buyers, then I'm going to sell a piece because there's a chance we're going to get a pullback. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just a chance. That's why I'm still in it. I hope my man Scotty O's in this trade. I'm sure he is. Let me go ask him. Scotty O. I'm sure his old ass is in here. I'm asking him, Scotty O, are you in JCS, old man? Hopefully he is. And that's kind of his type of setup. He likes those type of trades. Yeah, Scotty O! JCS, thank you, JCS. Really nice little setup today. I'm glad it ended up working a little bit better. I'm gonna cover another small piece of NNVC because we're getting closer to the end of the day, and I just don't want to be in it holding the bag. You know what I'm saying? I still have a big chunk of NVC, but it should have died already. I do like that we're consolidating here underneath this area, so I'm good with that, but just a small piece cover to make me comfortable. Yeah, no, I love Scott. He's a good friend of mine. No, Scott, you're a madman. I'm usually done already, but sometimes when setups still appear, I'll be done after this. This is my last trade. Completely done trading. I'm not executing anymore, and I'm gonna go. Only reason I'm still here really is because I have a construction meet up with the constructioner, whatever, to do a walkthrough the new house being built, and that's in about 1 hour 20 minutes. So I'm not gonna go to the gym and then go there all sweaty. I just said, you know what? I'll just stay here, chat with you guys, and then go. Scotty-O! There you go, Scott. Old man Scott. You're crazy, Scott. You're crazy. Scott's a madman. Freaking madman. It's funny. I covered Chiefs and now it's going down. Whatever. Get that off my screen. Get that off my screen. No problem, Lishiana. I'm glad you did well. Thanks, Scotty-O. Trying my best, Scott. Thank you, my man. Helping me get more confidence in myself. Appreciate it, brother. Hey, Damien, I'll send you a link to the book right now. 1 second, my man. 1 second, my man. Let's see. Here are the books I recommend right here. Check it out. Those are all the books, Damien Lau. Click on there and you'll see the author. Thomas, being nasty late afternoon. Maybe, Thomas. It does have potential. It's going to get dangerous. If this doesn't break down, we're going to go, woo, going to come back. Just got to be careful with that for sure. Which is why I covered another piece. Because I'm not going to hold this the whole time. If we don't start to break down here, that's not a good sign. But I'm not scared. I'm just aware. Come on, MVC. Jim Del Rosario. What do I look for? I look for things that have a lot of range and volatility. Do you read level 2 also? I'm in. It's about 1 to 5% when it accounts to all my trades. So out of all my trades, about 1 to 5%, I'll look at level 2. But I made a really good video on how to use level 2, and a lot of people said it's probably the best one they've seen. And you can read the comments. I'm just letting you know. I'm going to send that to you right now. Because a lot of people, gurus, make it sound so complicated. Because it is complicated. Like, it's not easy to master. But it's not hard to teach and learn, at least. So here it is. Definitely going to watch that later. Fisker. Any thoughts on this? Damien Lau. This thing's been running. It's bullish right now on the daily, on the hourly. I was looking to buy it, but I didn't get an opportunity to buy. Right now, it's just a chase. Black Shadow, dude. Thanks, brother. I appreciate that, man. Thanks for supporting the show. Thanks for giving back, man. It means a lot to me, bro. Thank you. As of now, for me, I wouldn't touch it. It's bullish, but I mean, yeah, we definitely have a little temporary backside here going on, but it's not my type of setup. Not my type of setup. Come on in, MVC. Let's go down. JCS, where you going, brother? Where you going? You gonna go up? Come on, Scotty-O. Hey, Scott. Make that stuff go up. Come on. Jim Del Rosario. Yes, very good video on level 2. Thank you. Definitely a great video of Christian Dole on level 2. Thank you. Jacob, if you don't mind me asking, how much do you make from day trading? I do mind you asking. It's private. Nathan, did you ever reach a point in your trading where you no longer knew what questions to ask? I'm an interviewer. I interview tons of successful day traders, so I don't know. I hope I never get there because I need to be able to ask questions. Scott, Jacob. That's so funny. That's a good point, Scott. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, if I made $1 million a year, how would that help you? If I made $10 a year, how would that help you? If I made 100,000, how would that help you? Like, you guys need to understand, you're getting something right now that you don't get anywhere else. Actual live trading. That's what teaches you how to trade. But hey, man, if you want that, you need to go to another room or go somewhere that they charge you $300, $200 a month, and they don't even do live trading. They just share P&L, and they tell you how much they make. It's called flexing. I'm not about that. KB, what stage are you at in your build? I'm a finished carpenter and could use some work. This trade thing is not all that consistent for me. KB, where are you from? Are you from Texas? I don't like the rejection there at 1050, but I'm not going to get scared out, but I definitely don't like it. Like, we're probably going to rip that down. Yeah, we're probably going to rip that down. The only reason I'm comfortable is because I sold a lot. Damn, that sucks. But this thing has been doing this, and this is a key area too, so let's just wait. What stage am I? I have all the frames up, I have all the plumbing in, I have all the wires in. So we're doing a walkthrough through that, and then they're gonna put the walls in, like completely closed. J215, do you watch level 2 for your setups? No. Damien, sorry, I would donate, but I can't from out of the country for some reason. Your content is golden. Thanks, Damien. You can do me a solid. I think you could press that join button maybe and make a small pledge that way. If not, don't worry. Subscribe, hit the bell, share it with your other friends. That means a lot to me too. You don't have to do anything. I just appreciate you guys. KB, Washington. Dude, that's way too far, bro. I'm not going to pay for you to fly out here. AL, damn. JCS is volatile. Don't dare to touch it. Hey, know your weaknesses, know your strength. Don't touch it if you're not familiar. Danny Vang, how do you bounce back from a loss? You've been watching it. I didn't do too hot in the morning. So go rewatch this video and yesterday's live. And you'll see, I just basically don't ever look at P&L. I trade the process. I focus on execution, and that is it. Thomas Law, how many times you thought about giving up or just fuck it before you achieved a consistency during the first 3 years? A whole damn lot. I had moments, man, where I was here, breakdown, crying, and thought I made the dumbest choice in my career. I was a partner, first youngest partner in my firm, when I decided to quit cold turkey to learn trading because I thought it was easy because all those ads of traders who teach bullshit, and I fell for that, and a lot of it doesn't really work. A lot of it is just halfway teaching. I failed for quite a while. And so it happened a lot. It happened a significant amount of times where I was just not happy. I was upset. And it took a while for me to get to that point. I'm watching real quick in the MVC. It took a while for me to get to that point where I was comfortable. I mean, what was the last part of your question? Yeah, basically all the freaking time, especially in the first 2 years. Because I had moments where I was like, oh, I'm gotten this. 2 months straight. And then, oh, I got this. 5 months straight. So that's why I say no one's consistently profitable unless they've been consistent for at least a year. So these one-hit wonders who made money in the past 6 months, 8 months, 3 months, and they think they're consistent, they're not. It's easy to make money. It's hard to keep it. If they stay in the game long enough, they'll lose it. Jet. Oh, snap. Hold on. I gotta watch this. I'm over here ignoring my trade. I can't be doing that. Jess, do you feel that trading live on YouTube has kept you more comfortable with your trades? Hell no. Meaning less like, no, hell no. It's made me worse. You try to trade in front of 100 people. You try to trade in front of 200 people. You try to trade in front of people who all they think about is judging others, and they just try to weigh themselves based off P&L. Think about that. Actually trading worse. But I'm going to make myself get comfortable because my mission is to give back to the trading community and change all those perspectives, that you should focus on process, focus on execution, focus on yourself, and focus on giving back. So when you become consistent, you can help others instead of doing the whole thing that everyone does. It's so easy to flip a switch and say, I'm going to create a chat service. Here's $100 a month. You have to pay it. So let's be different. And that answer was for Jess, by the way. I have to pee really bad, but I'm trying to watch this. Hey, welcome, Sirach. Thank you for being here, my man. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit that bell, my man, and share the show with other friends. For everyone who's here, if you haven't hit like yet on this live video, do me that solid. That's like the easiest thing to do. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe next. A little harder. Hit the bell. Maybe a little harder. That's so easy to do. It's an easy way to give back to me. And it's free. And then share it with a friend. If you want to go beyond that, hit that join button. Make a small pledge donation like Black Shadow did, which basically gives him that letter B next to his name. And as longer he's a pledge, it gets all the way down to black and blue, I believe. My favorite colors. So you can do that, or you can just be here and hang out. So it's all up to you. Burek D, whenever I want, brother. I've been going live lately, every day, right at the open. And either right at the open, 10 minutes before the open, or right 10 minutes after the open. I don't like to feel obligated to have to do things like this, or else I won't like it. So I kind of just come on, but lately, every day. Tristan, good job, Tristan. What's going on, brother? Hopefully you're doing okay, my man, and not in a bad position. Be careful, short and too late. That's called chasing. Poco Arts, welcome back, man. I'm just covering another piece, and then I'm going to hold this last piece for a stop out. Because I don't like that reclaim, but we still have this, so we'll see. You know what? I'll keep it there. We'll let that pan out. I'm done watching it. I'm comfortable now because I covered most of my position. And now I'm just going to wait. JCS, I covered most of my position on that one. So now I'm just going to wait. And BRB, guys. Rest your break. All right. I'm glad I covered most of my position on NVC. Okay. GME, someone says. GME's looking bullish. Volume's okay. But it's definitely looking bullish. Oh, look at that rocket. Good job, whoever saw that. Good. I just missed it. That bathroom break. Are you kidding me? Oh, Jesus. Oh, well. Good job, whoever saw that. Hopefully you stuck with your plan, my man. Hopefully you stuck with your plan. For the not so spiritual, good luck, man. Stick to your plan. Just stick to your plan, bro. That's all I would say. And then VC still looks good to me, in my opinion, from my position. But again, remember, I started in short over here in the 850s. So I have a good average. But it's definitely not looking good and looking easy for shorts at all right now. So I could see the case for either way. And we're holding 7, which is a key area. Could easily go higher. Easily go higher. Plus it's VWAP. Could easily squeeze too. JCS, I mean, what are you going to do for me, buddy? What are you going to do? You going to continue or you're going to break down? Like... Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have my stop right below this trend just because I would not want to be in it. I just wouldn't want to be in it at that point. And what's great is about that stop is it's above my entry. So I'm good with that. And I only have a small piece, like a quarter left. Ooh, we about to go. We about to go. Good job. If you're long, good job. Probably get stopped out the rest of my position on that one. Ooh, there it goes. Yeah, it's going to stop me out. Then we got JCS. Good job. And it looks like I am done. I missed Rocket. What an easy one. I'm so mad I missed that one. That's a shame. PHP MVK I trade every day. But I'm going on a fishing trip in 2 weeks. Tuna fishing. It's going to be sick with my dad. So I won't be trading then. All right. Looks like I'm definitely done entering positions for today. So it looks like I'm pretty much done. At the end of the day, I ended up trading how many tickers? CCIV. Nice little trade there. Chiefs. Nice little short. Was wrong at first. Did well at the end. JCS. Still long. Small piece. Regardless of what happens, be decent trade. NVC. Good short there. Really happy with that. And Perry was wrong, for sure wrong. And I took it off for a quick loss. So that one was breaking rules because I even said before I went long I probably shouldn't do this, and I did it. So that happens. Mike, that is totally a personal question, dude. Like, that's up to you. Do you live off of $25,000 a year? There you go. Come on, man. Jim O'Heron is day trading full-time job. You must be new, brother. But I don't believe in just one source of income. Go watch the show. I have multiple sources. Trading is one of them. Yeah, beginner trader. What a great short squeeze there, huh? I missed it. Damn. I was ready for it. I just was zoned into my other trades. It happens. You can't catch everything, right? It's part of trading. Part of trading. Yeah, NVC is definitely squeezing. Because all those shorts who are waiting for higher, they're just trying to hold for all day faders, so they're holding, and this could start to squeeze and be pretty strong. But I'm following price action, which is how I protect myself. Oh, okay. Let's see what this thing does. Let's see what it does. No, Todd. Hell no. I'm all out. All out. Look at that. I covered most of my position here. Well, most of my entries here, and then reshorted, covered most of that there, and a small 1/4, maybe 1/5 right there. So I'm good on that. Price action. I'm watching price action. I am still on a small piece of JCS just in case. It's like 1/4 size. So we'll see. Well, since I'm here watching, let me just check something. I'm starting to become an addict. Yeah, JCS definitely is going to break down. I'll just let it stop me out. There's a lot moving right now. There's no range on this, but it looks nice. Looks pretty. Look at that. Nice little bounce there. Alright, so at this point, I'm done. Below 9, I'm done. And that's really good. So let's see if we can get a squeeze going, because you know people are shorting on those rejections on this weak candle. There's definitely people shorting, because we have this and then we have this right here, this weak candle. I used to just trade off of candles back in the day, and I'd be like, oh, there's rejection on the candle, I need a short, and that's inconsistent for me. Some people do really well at it. I think if you're a scalper, it'd probably be a good way to trade, but I'm not a scalper, so what do I know? Let me tell you, I don't know. Do me a solid, everybody. If you're enjoying the show, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell. It's free. Hit that like button. I appreciate it. Share the show with someone else. And if you want to go further than that, hit that join button and pledge a small donation to the show. It helps me grow the show even more, because every Monday and Wednesday, I drop episodes of me interviewing successful traders and sharing tips that I've been learning through this journey. Here we go. Here we go. No shocker there, right? This line here, what does that mean? Look at that. Daily resistance. The weekly and the daily. No shocker, huh? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, Oh, Todd, you might be right, my man. I was saying earlier it's looking nice, but I just don't like it personally. But doesn't mean you can't trade it. Like, it was looking nice. Like, it can start to squeeze to this 140 area. But it's not for me. Hey, baby.
It stinks in here. Like, disgusting. Oh my god. It smells like. Ugh. Oh my god.
Apparently it smells in here. It's probably the food I ate. I definitely need to fix that. Because I ain't trying to smell like that. I ain't trying to smell like eggs and toast and turkey. You know what? I can't tell if you guys are here to kind of like scheme and try to promote something, but I'm gonna assume you are. So because of that, Tyzel, you're out of here, my man. I just don't like that whole. It's just too sketchy, too easy to be sketch. So I just got to do that. So I could be wrong, Tyzel. If I am, my bad. But there's too many people out there pumping on my channel, like posting like, "Ooh, this guy really helped me a lot. Follow him." And you might not be like that, but. Yeah, she is, Daisy. Well, that's a whole nother story, but she is. Nick O'Block. I did from the beginning. You need to go rewatch this video. I've been reviewing this one over and over, telling you where I got in, why I got in. So, go rewatch that, bro. Good news. If you can smell that, it means you do not have... Thanks, eh? Thanks, Israel. Glad you're here. I don't use level 2. I do have it, but I don't use it. If you're curious about level 2 though, and you want to learn how to trade it, I linked it earlier of how I do use it occasionally, and when I do use it, what I look for. I'll show you. I'll send you that video because I think you'll love it. See ya, Bailey. The let's see. Thanks, Daisy. I appreciate it. I appreciate you too. The now I'm like all concerned about smelling here, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Let's see what happens. I kind of have a feeling we're gonna get a pop. But we're holding under Kiever, so we can easily just crap out. But right now I'm in at 860, so I'm good with that, regardless of what happens. By the way, I didn't block Homeboy, I just deleted that message, so. But hey man, to each his own. Don't have to be here. Tristan! Oh, Alex, by the way. I wanted to say thank you for the interviews you do with all the different traders. They're super interesting and very refreshing to get to know different perspectives. Love. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Much love. I'm gonna fix this smell because now I'm annoyed. I'm definitely annoyed. I don't want it to smell in here. Risky Biscuits! What's going on, Risky? Why you showing up so late, man? Crazy? Murkot Singh, you're watching me hold them, brother. Like, it depends. You see, go watch all my live trades last week. But look at NMVC. I was in this pretty much all morning. Look at CCIV. I was in this pretty much until then. JCS. I'm still in it since, what, 11:30 Eastern. So it just depends. Really just depends on the setup. Sometimes only an hour, sometimes none. I don't like stocks to trade personally. Murkot Singh, you trading today? Oh yeah, I just answered that. Where's Be the Hat, Alwan? Oh, it's here. We are here. I'm just not wearing it today. Little vacuum can't fix. All right, Tyzel, I got you, brother. Kitty home. I don't share that, never will. Murka, I got here late. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. That looks like a Bitcoin hat. Oh, really? Be the trader. It's my logo. But I guess it does. It came out before. I don't know if it was before, but I think it was. It doesn't matter. I don't care. I gotta get ready to get out of here soon. I'm gonna go do that inspection on the house, which means I can't hold this position, and it's working, which sucks. I'm hoping that we can get a pop that I can sell into. It's better. Let's get a squeezer. Come on. You're either going to squeeze or you're going to die. One or the other. Come on. I'm adjusting that to now VWAP because why not? So now on my last piece, I make $1 a share, worst case scenario. There we go. Come on. Let's break 1060. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's see it. Let's see it. If you think JCS is going to break 1060, put 1060 in the chat. If you think it's going to die, put die. I'm curious where everyone's at. It's just for fun. Who gives a shit if we're right or wrong? No one knows anything in trading. You just probabilities and odds. That's all. LFG, Todd. LFG. It's 60 degrees outside. I probably not should be wearing this. I didn't pay for any borrows today, Charles. All my borrows are free. All right, it sucks, but I gotta go, so I'm gonna get out of here. Let's see. I'll just sell just because I gotta go. All right, guys. Well, I gotta get out of here. Go do the inspection. I don't like to hold positions, especially when I'm in meetings. I gotta pay attention. It could easily go. I would not be getting out if I wasn't leaving. But thank you guys for being here. Thanks for watching. I want you all to know that I appreciate you. Do me a solid, like this video, subscribe, hit the bell. And if you want to go above and beyond, because I do plan to do lives with only the people who pledge every once in a while that can be in chat, hit that join button if you want to make a small donation. I appreciate that. But I appreciate everything. And Tyzel, hey man, that's your opinion, man. So you don't have to be here. So I appreciate you too. I still appreciate you, brother. And other than that, guys, look, I appreciate everybody. And if anything, if you ever have questions, come to the live chat, hit the bell, and just do me a solid. Share the show. Trying to do my best. You guys take care. Have a wonderful day.